Welcome! In this video we'll walk you through the proper sample collection procedure for EMILIE, our groundbreaking nanomechanical analyzer. NEMS FTIR spectroscopy is a unique technique in which a nanoelectromechanical chip is used both as a sample holder and detector. Therefore, proper sample collection and handling is an essential aspect of this technique. Whether you're preparing your first sample or need a quick refresher, this guide will help ensure reliable results every time. So let's get started by reviewing the essential materials and preparation steps you'll need before beginning. To minimize contamination, we recommend wearing clean gloves during sample collection and chip handling. Several sample-specific strategies are available to deposit samples on the surface of the EMILIE chip. Airborne nanoparticles can be collected directly on the EMILIE chip using available aerosol sampling techniques. The center of the EMILIE chip features a perforated area to facilitate the sampling of airborne nanoparticles. As air accelerates through the perforation, particles as small as 10 nanometers deviate from the laminar streamline and are collected by impaction on the chip's surface. This impaction-based sampling technique enables the capture of particles as small as 10 nanometer directly from an aerosol, achieving an efficiency up to 60% for particles measuring 1 micrometer. The aerosol flow adapter facilitates seamlessly the interfacing of the EMILIE chip with standard aerosol sampling equipment. This method works for airborne nanoparticles with a size as low as 10 nanometer to approximately 3.2 micrometers. To facilitate compatibility with commercial aerosol sampling equipment, the aerosol flow adapter features standard slip connectors with a 4 mm outer diameter. On request, the flow adapter is also available with an optional female Lua lock. For optimal results and to avoid overloading by large particles, we recommend using the aerosol flow adapter in conjunction with a particle impactor pre-filter placed upstream. For more information, please refer to our sample collection and handling guide. To facilitate the handling and transfer of sampled EMILIE chips, we recommend depositing the sample on the top side. The top side can be identified by the presence of the labeling and gold electrodes. Artificially generated aerosols, such as those produced using nebulizing techniques, can also be deposited on the EMILIE chip using the aerosol flow adapter. To mount an EMILIE chip, unscrew and open the aerosol flow adapter. The lower part of the aerosol flow adapter features a groove for placing the EMILIE chip. The upper part features a flat surface and O-ring to ensure a tight seal. Open the box and place the chip in the groove of the lower part of the aerosol flow adapter, ensuring the gold electrodes and markings on the EMILIE chip face upwards. After depositing the chip, screw in the counterpart of the aerosol flow adapter. Make sure that the lower part remains upright while screwing the two parts together to prevent the chip from sliding out of the groove. Screw the top part until you feel resistance. Gently continue to screw until hand tight, avoiding over-tightening. The aerosol flow adapter can now be integrated to your airflow system. After sampling, unscrew the aerosol flow adapter to unload your chip. Make sure the lower part remains upright during the unscrewing procedure to prevent the sampled chip from sliding out of the groove. Be aware that the chip could be stuck to the top side, especially when the adapter was closed for a long time. Liquid samples can be collected on the EMILIE chip using drop casting methods. Samples ranging in volume from 500 to 1000 nanoliters can be drop casted directly on the chip using a micropipette and our drop casting accessory. For smaller volumes, we recommend using a nanodispenser system. The drop casting accessory uses a humidity gradient to ensure that the sample is concentrated and dried at the center of the EMILIE chip, facilitating quantitative analysis. Before drop casting, prepare the drop casting accessory by placing a few pre-cut, lint-free wipes in the dedicated space at the center of the drop casting platform. To generate the humidity gradient between the top and the bottom compartments of the drop casting accessory, deposit a few large drops of clean water on the wipes using a syringe or a micropipette. The drop casting platform features 20 chip grooves with through holes covered by small metallic discs. Remove one of the small metal discs where you wish to deposit the chip for drop casting. Open the container with your EMILIE chips and gently transfer the desired chip centrally over the uncovered hole on the drop casting accessory platform. When sampling and drying multiple chips simultaneously, remove as many metal covers as needed. To maximize drying efficiency, ensure that all remaining holes are covered. Load the micropipette with 500 to 1000 nanoliters aliquot of your sample. Slowly approach the chip with the loaded micropipette tip and gently deposit the drop in the center of the chip. Ensure that the perforated area of the EMILIE chip is fully covered by the drop. Avoid any direct contact between the micropipette tip and the EMILIE chip to prevent damage to the fragile nanomechanical membrane. After depositing the sample on the EMILIE chip, close the lid of the drop casting accessory by sliding it onto the guidance rods and allow the droplet to dry. A droplet of 500 nanoliters will take approximately 30 minutes to dry. Our online sample collection and handling guide describes sampling methods to help you achieve optimal results for your specific analyte. After sample deposition, the EMILIE sampling and sensing chip is now ready for measurement. Remove the lid of the EMILIE vacuum chamber and place it with the inside face pointing upwards on a stable, unclean surface. Remove the contact bridge and place it in the parking position on the inner surface of the vacuum chamber lid. Remove the dummy chip from the sample holder by grabbing it with tweezers on the top and bottom edges where there is no labeling and store the dummy chip in a clean container. Load the desired chip by placing it in the sample holder such that the round gold electrode pad on the EMILIE chip aligns with the round gold pad featured on the PCB next to the sliding rods. Place the contact bridge in position using the guidance rods until it's being pulled in by the magnets. The star marking on the top of the bridge aligns with the markings inside the chamber. After being pulled in by the magnets, gently push the contact bridge from the top to ensure a good fit. Press the connection test button near the contact bridge to verify that the electrical connection is established as indicated by the green light. You can now place the vacuum chamber lid back into position and start the vacuum pump. EMILIE is now ready for measurement. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our homepage at invisiblelightlabs.com.